So this was the last workshop we had with the cities here of the CPaaS.io project.
So basically our main, I would say, the outcome of this conference and obviously of the whole CPaaS.io project has been the exchange basically of experience and good practices on the way to put data on the platform, on open platform, in order to develop services.
With all the 6 cities basically involved, and I thought it was very, very fruitful, because what we saw, if we compare it to last year the cities were still more apart. Now they are much more moving together. Like citizen participation has become much more important for a lot of them. Open data is very much important for them. Also, it has become clear the use of platforms so that you can build different applications on platforms.
In our case, we have experience with the smart parking solution based on the information being received by different sources on the city, and also with the possibility to validate technologies or new technologies that also has been integrated as part of the CPaaS.io solution.
For example, so Yokozuka last year we just had one application. Today they're looking at many, many applications. And also with, let's say, the collaboration that we had this year with OASC, so Open and Agile Smart Cities.
I'm Martin Brinskov. I'm chair of OASC, the Open and Agile Smart Cities Network. It's a global network of cities presenting the voice of cities in this discussion about what is a smart city and where we're going.
So in general, basically our main experience on this process has been to better get knowledge about the technologies and the platforms possibilities for providing services in the smart cities.
I'm here in Tokyo, Japan, together with the CPaaS.io, the cities here, discussing how do we come from a project to large scale. What does large scale mean? It means across the entire city, reaching all citizens, all services. But it also means how do we mobilize the global dynamics of technology, of economy, to the benefits of the local economy, of the local well-being of the citizens. So that's what we're here to discuss, how far we are, and it's looking pretty good.
Tsunagaru in Japanese meaning connect, so we're connecting technology, we saw that, but we're also connecting people, we are connecting experiences in order that we can kind of develop smart cities further from now on, even if this project now has ended.